Hey there, fellow traders and market mavericks. Welcome to Spy Trader, the podcast where we break down the S&P 500. I'm your host, Johnny Cash Flow Johnson. It's now noon on August 18th, 2024, so make sure your charts are up to date and your coffee is fresh. First up, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's upcoming speech at the annual Jackson Hole Conference has Wall Street speculating on possible interest rate cuts. Traders are hopeful for a cut in September, which could boost the market. However, a cautious or hawkish tone from Powell might lead to a sell-off in equities. Next, the S&P 500 has seen a remarkable recovery after an early August plunge, with $5.5 billion flowing into U.S. equities. The index is now just 2% shy of its all-time high. Historically, Powell has been cautious at Jackson Hole, so even a hawkish tone could impact recent gains. Watch out for the important jobs report on September 6th, which could influence market sentiment. Given the uncertainty, options traders anticipate volatility with potential S&P 500 movements of over 1% post-speech. Historically, markets have shown a modest gain post-Jackson Hole unless there's a significant policy shift. Now for the joke of the day. What's a bond trader's favorite element? Barium. They love anything that bonds. Classic. For trading recommendations, consider these. 1. Tech stocks. Companies like Apple and Microsoft are showing resilience. Positive earnings could drive them higher, but be cautious as gains could reverse if Powell is hawkish. 2. Consumer discretionary. With robust consumer spending, stocks like Walmart are strong performers. Essentials-focused companies should see steady gains. 3. Volatility play. Use option strategies like straddles or strangles to navigate potential volatility around Powell's speech. 4. Hedging. Prepare for a hawkish tilt by considering defensive stocks or gold, which hold steady during market jitters. 5. Long-term bets. Maintain strong positions in diversified ETFs tracking the S&P 500. Markets are cyclical, and long-term trends are upward. To wrap up, cautious optimism is key, as Powell's Jackson Hole speech could move the market in either direction. History, a prepared strategy, and understanding volatility are crucial. Whether staying long on tech, riding consumer spending, or playing the volatility game, keep your strategies sharp and your eyes on the prize. That's all for today's episode of Spy Trader. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep your portfolios diversified and your spirits high. Stay savvy, traders.